Have you ever had to cut a large amount of tomatoes like this? I've been captivated by it from the start. These are happy farmers because they have a bountiful harvest from this crop. This job doesn't require teamwork, but watching them work together, they seem like a team. This man is very enthusiastic about his work because he just got a new lawnmower, which helps him do the job more easily than using his hands. His daily job is pruning trees, and he finds it quite enjoyable and satisfying. When people get older, they accumulate a lot of experience, and these elderly men are no exception. If you're hungry, I assure you that you'll salivate when you see this image. But it's also really delicious when sandwiched with bread. Watching his technique of applying plaster on the wall, it's truly professional. Very fast and precise. He's a master in the construction field. We think he's around 30 years old, so he's been doing this job for about 7 years. Wow, he seems to have invented a tree irrigation boat. It's very efficient for his work. Now, his tree watering job is much easier. Wow, those watermelons he planted are quite big, aren't they? I wonder when he will be able to harvest all these watermelons from his field.